Yeah, hi Pavni.
Hi Shalu, please have a seat.
What on your skin bothers you the most?
The dullness.
Dullness.
Exactly.
Okay. So I would suggest you can go for Q-Switch with carbon facial that we have. Yes, your skin will become brighter after the session.
Alright.
Consider it as a treatment. You need one session every month.
Okay.
Okay, so that will give you very good results.
How are you feeling?
Too good. It's all good.
So with every progressive session, you will see further changes.
So how happy you are after the session?
I'm so much happy.
तो आप क्लीनिंग Dermatech को recommend
I'll
करेंगे?
definitely recommend everyone, especially जिनका first treatment है उनको तो definitely recommend करूँगी.
Thank you so much.